In this video, I will show you how to edit medical ID in Apple Health. First, open the Apple Health app on your iPhone. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. Once you're in, tap on Medical ID. If it's your first time setting it up, tap Get Started. From here, you can fill in details like your name, date of birth, and primary language. You also have the option to add important health information such as medical conditions, medications, allergies, or even pregnancy details. When you're done, everything will be saved to your medical ID, making it easy for emergency responders to access if needed. And that's how to edit medical ID in Apple Health.